Now this is our golden reversal indicator that finds 4 to 6 real-time high probability early entry points a day. So you can have the biggest profit potential with the least amount of risk. Now this is a 5-day overview that shows you how many awesome early entries this gives you without cherry picking trades. So let's go ahead and take a look at a typical session with this recent market replay because we don't have 4 hours time to show you a full live session. And then I will fast forward the market just a bit. So you can see here in the night session, we had a nice early long setup here, good for about 50 ticks profit potential. We have an excellent short trade entry signal here to enter early, good for about another 60 ticks. Now, I want to show you how the trades develop and how the golden reversal tool delivers the earliest entries possible in real time. Now, keep in mind, I'm fast forwarding the market here in replay so you can see how this works. At the red lines, we're looking for short entries, where we can take the earliest entry possible. At the green lines, we are looking for a long signal. Now, you see a long signal generated in real time. That means our best early entry would be around the 72 price. Now, let me speed up the market a little bit for you here. So, you can see the market is taking off here pretty rapidly. And we're getting quick 40 ticks profits here, even more now, 50 tick profit. Now, we're coming into the cash open at 9 a.m. Eastern time. And again, when we're breaking the low line here, we're looking for a short signal to make our early entry. And here it is. Entry would be here around 72.15. And we get a pretty quick sell-off right away from the open. This is good for another quick 25 tick profit. So you too will now be able to enter early and potentially take 4 to 6 trades like this per session. This is the momentum grid indicator that works with the golden reversals tool I just showed you. At any given time, the momentum grid indicator tells you the market momentum across 5 different time frames. So you have the confidence when to exit your trades for maximum profit. So you can see here we have a short signal the golden reversal tool detected in the area around 74.60, which means if you entered this trade early, like the golden reversal tool indicates here, you would be in a trade with about 100 ticks or about $1,000 in profit per contract right now. Now, a lot of traders would have either panicked and taken profits way earlier or worrying when they should get out. That's where the momentum grid below here gives you all the confidence you need to know when to get out. The grid right below here. Right now, it's completely blank, and that means there's no change in market momentum. And we have no signs that the market might change, so we just stay in our trade. As you can see, the momentum still seems to be downwards, and the grid gives no indication it's changing. Let me speed up the market here a little bit. And here you see the momentum grid has plotted on 3 of the 5 different time frames filled. Now 2 or more time frames or bars mean that the short move might be over and should either be exiting and taking profits or be very careful. If you see 4 or 5 plots or time frames filled, you should not wait or even think about it. Get out of your trade as it's a safe indication the market will turn. 2 or more plots indicates that the chart move might be over, and we should either be exiting and taking profits or being very careful. If you see 4 or 5 plots, you should not think any further and get out. Do not wait, because it's a very safe indication we will see the market turning. So however, back to our trade here, after a move about 120 ticks, that would be a great place to take your profits and call it a day. And just to show you the accuracy of this tool, we'll let the market run for another few seconds. As you can see, nothing happens. Shortly after the momentum grid says pay attention, we're close to the low of the day, and it was indeed the smartest exit we could take for maximum profits.